Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at railroad crossings on Google Maps, so let's look. Okay, here's the first railroad crossing we're going to look at. An electric train runs through here called the Calgary C train, so yeah. And the rest of the railroad crossings we're going to look at is ones with cantilevers, so let's go. Okay, here's the first one with 2 cantilevers. So yeah. I took a video of this crossing once, so let's keep looking for more railroad crossings. Okay, it's down this way. Okay, here's the second railroad crossing with a cantilever. And this one has a mechanical bell. This is the only railroad crossing in Calgary, Alberta that has a mechanical bell. So yeah. Okay, here's one more railroad crossing we're gonna look at. But this one has an E-bell this time. The two other railroad crossings we looked at had an E-bell. So yeah. Okay, I'll show you the other side of this crossing. Okay. Here's a good side to start on. Okay, so here's the other side. Now let's look at the other one on the other side. Okay, here's the other one on the other side. This is the one with the mechanical bell. So yeah, and that's it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep posting more videos. Bye!